What up, everybody? Today is 11th of August 2026, and I'm back in the game again, right? So I disappeared for 2 months because during that 2 months, I'm not consistent and basically could not make any money at all. And I also blow my account of the 25K funding account that I have or funding pub, right? So I disappeared for 2 months and basically and also a lot of stuff outside of the trading, my life. So has a lot of stuff going on. But right now I'm going to be back in the game and you can see this is my 50K account worth funding per. This is the Natus Flex model, one step flex model, and you can see that I'm basically just about break even. Oh, whoa, basically just break even. And today I took losses and I want to document it, right? And talk about why I took this trade. So basically I took a loan here and then I took another loan here and then I get out everything below this surprise bear bar, right? So at that time my idea was okay, open. We're in the train range, first bar, second bar, train range, third bar, fourth bar, train range, train range, train range, and then we can see that ball become stronger, right? We can see that the micro gap, and the micro gap, four consecutive ball bar close on its high, and I expect that there will be at least a seconding up, right? And then I enter just wait for another follow through and then there's a bolt follow through and then I just enter by above this high, right? You can see enter above this high, expecting price at least will reach the measurement of target or I become more uh optimistic. I suspect that price can have a bigger target, right? Or even retest the previous high. And that's my whole idea. And then you can see right over here, I took a loan and then this big bear bar, but I still leave the gap open. And then I think, okay, first reversal down and a tight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolt trend probably gonna fail. And then more buyer below this bear bar. Right, you can see that, and indeed it happened more buy below this bar, and we close a strong bull bar. So I add another possession here because my initial size is not that big. I'm risking all the way down over here. It's only 500, but I'm planning if I saw another big bear bar close on the low, I will exit below there. So I do not need that much risk tolerance or threshold, if that makes sense, right? And then I enter another possession here, which is the biggest size, and I'm planning I will exit out if this gap being closed, and we have a micro double top. The price continue pushing up, and then it almost reached the measure move target based on this level right over here. And you can see that we have a surprise big bear bar. So I close out everything. I didn't secure anything because my biggest target was I want price to retest the previous high, which is a bit greedy. But you can see right over here. You can see right over here, I would say I exit everything below this big bear bar because probably we'll have a second leg down, which we have, you can see. And I think it's a good idea to close everything below there. Is this a reasonable loan buying here? I think probably I can take profit as well. I think it's reasonable, but it's a losing trade, right? So Nevertheless, I'm still learning. I'm still learning. I'm still studying Al Brooks' video course. I'm still trying to journal everything, and the feeling of I can make money, or the feeling that I can um profit from the financial market is kind of like dissipated, right? I want to get that feeling back. I want to have that back-to-back withdrawal, right, from prop firm. And right now, I just, back in the zero, right? Back to zero. Just restart and rebuild myself. And tonight I watch full video from Albrook trading course, right? And I'm because the more that I watch, the more that I realize that I don't know a lot of stuff. So I want to improve myself as a trader, emotionally, technically, journaling as well. How can I articulate my thought? This is something that I want to improve, right? Right now, I think it will be a reasonable buy if we have a bull bar, and then at least I want to see a micro double bottom because this is a pretty pretty aggressive bear bar. At least I want to see a bull bar close on its high, and then second attempt by bear, and then we have another bull bar close on its high. Probably we will um rejecting the low of the day, the open of the day, right? So that's my whole idea, and I'm gonna post the video and ciao ciao. And to here, this is not the best trade that I can take because you can see that it's kind of like trading like for a session, but is this a bad trade? I think it's reasonable because at least I'm expecting a breakout from the open, and then we are getting strong bull bar close on the side and also micro gap there as well. So I'm thinking that probably we will have a strong bull trend, but we have a surprise bear bar and I closed everything below there. So that's my trade, and I'm gonna call it a day.